Every Sunday night, I feel it. That weight in my chest, that pit in my stomach, because tomorrow is Monday and I have to go back to a job that's draining the life out of me. And I catch myself thinking, how am I going to get through tomorrow, much less the entire week? I don't want to live like this anymore. I want options. Honestly, don't you? Hi, I am Dee, and welcome to It's Just Monday. On this corner of the internet, we talk about surviving jobs we hate, but feel stuck in. We talk about how to cope until you can quit, and how to actually build your way out. Whether it's a better job, a side hustle, self-employment, or full-blown entrepreneurship, this is where we figure that out together. Because you shouldn't have to cry in the bathroom just to get through the day. You shouldn't feel dread every Sunday, and you definitely shouldn't feel stuck forever. Have you ever noticed how nobody really talks about the emotional cost of a soul-crushing job? That invisible weight you carry, the way your energy is drained before you even clock in, the way your body tightens when you hear your boss's voice, or your heart sinks when another meeting hits your calendar. When you're working just to survive, your life starts to shrink. You start living for the weekends, just 2 days out of 7. That's not life. That's not living. That's survival. After college, I took a job I didn't want, but really needed. Customer support in finance. I told myself it was temporary, but temporary turned into more than 10 years. Eventually, I got laid off. I found another job, and honestly, it was the same cycle. Same stress, different headset. One customer even told me to jump off a building, and yes, said that word that rhymes with lie. And not because I was rude, just because I was doing my job. And I wish I could say that was a one-time thing, but it wasn't. The emotional abuse, the fake smiling, that deep breath before every call or meeting, that was my everyday life. And I tried to improve my situation. So I bought the courses. I tried the career coaches. But eventually, I realized something. I don't just want another job. I want freedom. I want to work for myself. I want to live on my own terms. And yes, I know it won't be easy, but I'd rather build my own dream than spend my life building someone else's. I'm tired of begging for vacation days, tired of counting sick time, tired of being told when I'm allowed to live. This channel is my way out. It's my exit plan, and maybe it can be yours too. On It's Just Monday, I'm sharing everything I learn as I build my way out. I'll be posting stories of people who escaped, people who went from stuck and exhausted to self-employed or finally free in a job they actually enjoy. We'll talk side hustles, exit plans, budgeting to quit, how to mentally survive your job while you're still in it, and how to stop feeling ashamed for wanting more. Because this isn't just about money. It's about peace. It's about not crying in your car on your lunch break. It's about not waking up with a knot in your stomach. It's about building a life that doesn't feel like a trap. So if you're stuck and tired and quietly screaming inside, you're not crazy, you're not lazy, and you're definitely not alone. You just need a plan. And that's what we're doing here together. Subscribe if this hits home. Drop a comment if you're in that stuck phase or building your exit. And if you've made it out, share your story. You might help someone else find their way. I'm Dee, and this is It's Just Monday. Let's turn Mondays into something worth waking up for.